Hello everybody and welcome back. I just received this today. I ordered it on the 1st and it actually came early. The Kato, this is the Kato Silver Streak Zephyr. I like these Art Deco style trains. In fact, I like Art Deco period, like the Titanic and, well, stuff like that. As you can see here, it has all the engine, the baggage, the post office, 2 passenger coaches, and the observation. So let's open it up and see what we got. Taking a new angle this time because this one's more like a book. As you can tell, it's even got the little, like, it even has like fake pages on the side of it. As you can see here, it's pretty neat, like a book. In fact, when I pulled it out of the cardboard box, I actually thought it was a book because it kind of slipped out the way it was put in. Not their fault, it's just the way slip covers are. As you can see, it's a slip cover. So even got a little button latch thing on it. Pop that open, and we will be trying it out. I got my little re-railer here from the 20th Century set, which I'll put a link in the description for it. But yeah, I got this little thing here that helps put them on the track. It comes with a paper that tells you about it. Shows you can put like an optional front hitch on it. User applied parts, the little thingy. It's limited. We got the warranty. And you can buy parts from the website. Anyway, here we go. The train. The star of the show. Now this right here is here's the observation car. As you can see, it's got little seats and tables and stuff just like the other one. Now we'll be putting this train on the track here in a bit. And before, I'm going to show you a comparison between the E unit and the F units. It's got the little windows on the back. Loving the detailing. It's got corrugated sides and a corrugated roof. The passenger car. It's got little itty bitty little seats inside. Corrugated sides, says Burlington. Now each car has its own name. This right here is the Silver Glow. The observation car is the Silver Spirit. This next one is the Silver Gleam. Has a lot of the same detailing inside. You got your baggage for like suitcases, boxes, and stuff like that. Silver light. Also with the corrugated sides and roof. Kato does some really good job on these detailings. There's the post office and the baggage combo. Not much in the way of interior. And now for the E unit. Now I'll go ahead and show you the difference between the F units and the E units. I'll grab the other silver Burlington. As you can see, that's an F unit. I got them rear to rear. The E unit is slightly longer than the F unit. As you can see here. Now my old F units are in serious needs of upgrades. They're like really, really outdated. Got them old Rapido coupler things. Now we'll go ahead and get this thing on the track. Swivel over here to my old Atlas track. That's falling apart. I think the track was made in the same year this thing right here was. I think this train right here is from 1983. It's an old Pennsylvania railroad. I need to fix these two so they run. This one right here is a high-speed fake. I modified that to work with the train, and as well as that. Them three I just pointed out from high-speed metal. But yeah, there's the old Bachman and Atlas track. Okay, so let's get it on the. Well, enough about that. Let's get this on the rails. Whoops. Alright. So what you do is you just, simple really, and it rolls right onto the track. Let's get our passenger car. Get the other passenger car. Baggage. Luggage, please. And the post office. Now, before I put the locomotive on, I'll give a better shot of the E unit beside the F unit. That's an F9. It needs some serious work. It's missing needs a whole new chassis. Thing's older than dirt. And there's the E unit. As you can see, they both have the twin headlight, the over-under headlights. I'm going to use that term. It's similar, but that's an F and that's an E. And then the front ends are more angled on the E's than the F. The F unit is more blunt. The E is more streamlined. But overall, they're kind of pretty much similar with the cab windows and doors. This thing, yeah. This one right here needs so much work. Some of the gears are all busted in it, and it's yeah, it's not in the best of shape. Hoping a Kato chassis will fit my F unit, and if I can get it fixed, I'll probably do a video on it. But let's get this on the track and watch her run. Pull up the red carpet. I just gave it the red carpet treatment. And yeah, this thing's older than dirt. This came with the Bachman PRR train. I don't even think they make these things anymore. And there she goes. Let's slow her down a little. And I'll follow it with the camera. Loving that shine. Get down here at an angle. Now it runs really quiet. And is it just me, or is the sound of the wheels rolling along actually pretty soothing? Give you a roadside view. There's the old PRR in the background. Now that PRR train, I want to put some Kato bogies on it. Both the PRR and the freight cars were a gift long ago. But anyway, I hope you like this. Be sure to like and rate, thumbs up. Be sure to comment if you know if the Kato chassis for their F9 will fit this, or if there's a chassis I can get that's newer that'll fit this one, these. But anyway, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.